Okay, this podcast goes over how to install Office 365 free. It's technically called Office 2013. So if you go to rockvalleycollege.edu, click on My RVC, scroll down till you find our students get Microsoft Office at no cost. Click on the Get It Today button. First thing you need to do before you get started is remove any old versions of Office on your computer. Then always use Internet Explorer when you're installing Office. It does not work with Google Chrome and has issues with Firefox, we found out yesterday. So you're going to use your S number at rockvalleycollege.edu. You will not use the S number at student.rockvalleycollege.edu. You'll only need to enter in the S number at rockvalleycollege.edu in the login box in just a second. You will not need to put the password in initially. So, again, step 1, uninstall Office, any versions of Office you might have. Then, be on the computer you're going to be using for class. If you're on a Mac, you can also do it on a Mac as well. I would use Firefox on a Mac if you're going to be installing it on a Macintosh. And then Microsoft recommends Internet Explorer 8 or higher. If you just fire up Internet Explorer on whatever version of Windows you have, it'll work fine. But Google Chrome is definitely not supported, and there are issues in Windows. I found out yesterday with Firefox. Safari also has issues as well on some Macs. So if you have issues on Macs on Safari, use Firefox, but start out with Safari first on a Mac. So go ahead and click on the number 4, go to Office 365 Portal. And I'll log off as me because I logged on earlier. Get rid of this. So in here is where you're going to put in your S number at rockvalleycollege.edu. I'm going to use my E number. Students will have an S number. And then just hit return on your keyboard when you type that in. It'll redirect you to another email prompt. On the other prompting, you want to put in there your RVC net. If you get prompted for another login, which you will, you want to put on that second login prompt, it should look like this, RVCnet / your S number only, your password that you use to log into RVC Eagle and online services. You'll click OK. And once you click OK, it's going to redirect you to a page like this. Then as you scroll down that page, on the right side, around the middle part of the page, you'll see this area here. You want to uncheck, make Bing your search, make MSN your home page, and then just click Install Now. Once you click Install Now, it'll begin downloading a small download, about a meg in size. You'll click the Run button once it downloads successfully. If you have antivirus running on your computer, you might need to disable that if you do not see this prompt pop up. But as soon as your antivirus scans it, go ahead and click Run. And again, if you have issues in any of these steps, I would turn off your antivirus for a bit. So I'm going to go and click Run. This prompt will come up. Do you want to continue? Yes. If I have any Windows Office programs running, it's going to shut them down. Once it shuts down all of the programs running that are not needed, it'll begin the download and install process. And it does both at the same time. The download and install process is all at the same time. While it's downloading and installing, on the right side of your computer over here, you'll see a progress of the install. It'll say whatever percentage, getting things ready. You'll also see it down here. You can click on it and see the percentage of running in the background. Once you see it running in the background, just let it do its job. Once it's finished, it'll say complete or finished, and then Office is installed on your computer. Hope that helps.